Hi, I'm Ahmed Ali. I'm the founder of the Arab British Urology Society. We participate regularly in the Emirates Urology Society international meetings and with the Arab Association meetings, and we are really impressed by the magnitude of the attendance, the quality of the contents and the lectures, and the amazing organization that goes behind the scenes. The scientific committee has done a great work. They have invited multiple eminent urologists from all over the world to enrich this conference and its contents, and really the quality of the lectures has been amazing. I'll be talking about using a non-invasive test in bladder cancer diagnosis and screening, which is something very topical and futuristic in its implication. And I'm hoping that this collaboration will continue to flourish. And I'm looking forward to the next event already in Qatar, so we'll see you then.